thunder moments from last week on Apollo Flight of the Hawks, the first mindbender proved to be a little too tricky for all the teams. There was more drama, and Ajay V's car overturned, while Shahid and Sunny's car broke down. At the Thumbs Up Thunder Dare, Gautam was the only one to hit the bullseye, while all the others failed to hit it at all. और इस सब के बाद Hawks won, Bobby and Prateek were in the lead. The Hawks were getting used to life on the road, and waking up on the banks of the Ambi River, they all looked very excited.
Good morning.
Good morning. And did you see my pillows? What about this?
Sleep was good. Sleep wasn't too bad actually. Slept like a baby.
Where is the tea?
In cold and nippy Tavi, the morning tea was a real savior as the Hawks were getting ready.
Clean it up with that. Remove the water, clean it up.
This place is quite cold compared to the last two base camps in the morning. So it's quite nice to have your morning tea.
I slept better than I slept last 2 days. I think the bodies got used to sleeping in sleeping bags and in the tents.
It's a lovely place.
Nothing much. I didn't wake up early. I just had a shower. So it's really good having a good nice bath in the morning. And we will get ready and for the day and let's see.
All of them looked to be in good spirits, and the high stakes did little to dwindle their enthusiasm. While some others were having a very special snack.
Alan, this Maggie is so good.
It's perfect when we are camping out.
Yeah, perfect.
All you need is some hot water and you're done in 4 minutes. Tastes brilliant as well.
Wow. Maggie on the go. Makes a great food.
Welcome to a brand new day, and I'm 100% sure that today is going to be just as exciting as yesterday was. Will Team 1, which is Bobby and Prateek, take the lead into orbit? Will Shahid and Taranjeet rise from the ashes and actually take over the day? Well, everything is possible because it is a new day. Welcome to Apollo Flight of the Hawks, a unique SUV off-roading series on National Geographic Channel with me, Netra Raghuraman. आज हम देखेंगे किस में कितना है दम, कौन जाएगा आगे, कौन रह जाएगा काफी पीछे. And the day just unfolds because this is an all-round off-roading series. देखते हैं क्या होता है. Hi, both of you.
Hello.
All right, today's Mindbender is this structure here. It's a wooden box. It has all these holes in it. There are 25 holes in total. We've already placed one wooden log, which is, as you can see, at this height. And now this is the height you go by. These logs are all of different lengths. And they get placed into these holes in such a way that you get all of them at
Same level.
this level. And that's that. You have 5 minutes to go. So I wish you all the best. Stick to your 5 minutes and do well. This Mindbender will be based on time. यानी जो टीम इस राउंड को खत्म करने में सबसे कम टाइम लेगी, they will get 60 points. सेकंड आने वाली टीम को मिलेंगे 50 points. थर्ड आने वाली टीम को 40 and so on. Mindbender में फर्स्ट आने में डबल इंसेंटिव है. 60 points तो मिलते ही हैं. The fastest team also gets to zip off first to the next destination. Hawks 1, Bobby and Prateek were going to start first as they were leading at the end of the previous episode. तो क्या ये अपनी लीड बरकरार रख पाएंगे? Or can they even extend it?
Big one in that one. Big one. This one goes in this one. This one goes in this. No, this one. Bingo!
And we think and then decide who's better for what job.
Yeah.
We don't mess up.
At the end of the day, we'll keep up the lead.
Hawks 4, Aman and Chandeep were second on the opening day, and they were up next on the Mindbender. The hit-and-miss approach was really slowing down.
Let them in. This one. Yeah. Put in. Yeah, वो ये. ये लंबा है. Down, come on. Done.
Ajay Veer and Siddharth, Hawks 5, started the round after Hawks 4, and they were going all hammer and tongs.
ये उधर छोटा दे. छोटे दे. एक बड़े वाला दे. हाँ, इससे बड़ा वाला साइड में. बड़े वाला दे इधर के लिए. एकदम बड़ा वाला. ये एकदम बड़ा वाला है.
Seemed like they decided to put their hands up and be counted.
उल्टा उसमें डालना. वो बड़ा है. वो ही है भाई. छोटा. मैं नहीं डाल सकता. हाँ ये डाल देना फिर. करेक्ट. दैट लॉन्ग वन विल कम हियर. 3 बचे ना. हाँ. ये सबसे छोटा.
Oh, we were so close. I mean, we were like timing 2 minutes and we were almost done with everything. It was just that, one small of the log, it somehow stuck in that, bigger hole at the same elevation as the others were. Then luckily it went down, but then at the time it went down, it was too late. So we traded like a couple of seconds.
Prithvi and Gautam were on next for the mind bender.
Yo, Babbar, put this in the test. This one.
And Gautam started right where he had left off in the Thunder Dare.
Babbar, try this for second bottom row. लंबा वाला. इधर लंबा वाला डाल दे. ये सबसे लंबा कॉर्नर में डाल. जल्दी. सबसे लंबा है क्या? अच्छा उस दोनों निकाल दे.
Like true champions, Prithvi and Gautam went all out to set the pace right from the start and ended with a new best time of 2 minutes and 54 seconds.
When you're doing a task, if you start thinking about the clock, then there's no way you're going to complete the task. A task like this is basically, synchronization of two people working together.
He was just doing as per my instructions and I was keeping tab on the time.
So it was like a good team effort and I enjoyed it.
Medium. Yes, small.
Too small.
Alan and Smitha had a very quiet start on day 1, but they were both all action on day 2. What they may lack in strength, this team makes up for with their perseverance. That's a medium. This is the medium.
This is small, Smita.
Medium. That one, long one will go here. That long will go here. This one is a long one. Yeah, long one, long. This is fine. This is long one. Small one here. That's a small one. Put this here. Put this there. Ah, perfect. This one is long, I think. Check. No, put that there. Finish. Bringing out the rear end of the competition was Shahid and Sunny. They had a bad start and really needed to buck up and push.
यहाँ बेटा. उसको निकाल बेटा.
Lady Luck hasn't been kind to Shahid and Sunny so far. After their disastrous day 1, day 2 wasn't looking up either. In spite of their best efforts, this team was slow and sluggish and couldn't finish the mind bender.
We didn't have a strategy to basically communicate which are the holes which are smaller and bigger when we try them. And so we tried our best. Probably we couldn't do it.
I think we were trying too hard because yesterday was 0 for us again, and today was a bad start again. And that the pressure of trying too hard, maybe it got us the prize here right now.
Hawk 6, Prithvi and Gautam are off to a flyer today, scoring 60 points in the Mindbender. और इनसे 10 पॉइंट पीछे हैं Hawks 5, अजयवीर and Siddharth. पर Hawks 3 को चाहिए थोड़ा इंस्पिरेशन as they are still at 0. Mindbenders में फर्स्ट आने पर Hawks 6, Gautam and Prithvi को मिले 60 points, but that was not all. They would be the first ones zipping off to Raiders of the Lost Map. और इतना ही नहीं, they get to go first at all the other rounds for the day. Long drives can prove to be really tedious unless you have something to keep you company. Now, the Ford Endeavour comes completely equipped with a state-of-the-art entertainment system with an LCD screen display which has Bluetooth-enabled music system and a DVD player. You know what? Every journey I have with this car is completely enjoyable. I will see you with a very special Raiders of the Lost Map after this short break. The beautiful Panchet Boat Club is the site for today's Raiders of the Lost Map. The Hawks are actually turning up the heat because everybody wants to win the trip to Masai Mara. But me, I'm just going to take it easy and enjoy this ride. Panchet is a dam on the river Ambi. This dam is used for supplying drinking water to the city of Pune. Our next location, Varasgaon Boat Club, is situated on this dam. In fact, many backpackers and locals come here to relax for a quiet day or two. But the Hawks, they had no time for relaxation. Rolled in one by one and received the Simply Reliance clue on their cell phones. It didn't take too long for the Hawks to figure it out.
Leave the wheel time to sail for mine later, leave the strait.
Today, leave the wheel time to sail.
Paddle hard with all your might. Place all the flags upright. Pick up the flags in the middle. Don't be foxed by the wind.
Hi, welcome back to Apollo Flight of the Hawks on National Geographic Channel. This is India's first SUV off-roading adventure series, and things are off to a flying start today. Well, Gautam and Prithvi, you guys made it first at the Mindbenders, and now you are here at Raiders of the Lost Map. Are you happy?
Of course we are.
I'm sure you guys have been given your clue and you figured out what